Hi everyone, I am Bohdan, team lead of the character department. We have been rapidly expanding our character production, and here is a quick update. We are creating a new lineup of character skins with redesigned materials, micro details, and visual that bring each one to life in Magic Madness. At the same time, we are developing brand new characters from concept to 3D sculpt, refining each design for strong readability and smooth gameplay. We are also preparing model for 3D printing, and we already have 12 printed and hand-painted Feng Shui characters, with more in production. We implemented easier character customization through our ecosystem, enabling collaboration between different showrooms and the creation of virtual assistants, brand ambassadors, and enterprise identities. AI is now part of our pipeline as well, helping us generate skysphere, tile-label texture, and visual elements that we then polish to our quality level. The team has been working hard to grow our roster, improve every detail, and accelerate production. Stay tuned for more updates.